Modal auxiliary verb, will and would. Theory and definition. Will and would be modal auxiliary verb. Capital auxiliary verb is a word used with main verb. The purpose of modal auxiliary verb is to express willingness, ability, necessity, and possibility. Besides will and would, other verb capitals are can and could, might and might, shall and shall. Will and would function and examples. Will would be used to form conditional sentence. The difference is will for conditional sentence type 1, whereas would for conditional sentence type 2 and 3. Formula. I. Conditional type 1. If plus simple present will plus bar infinitive. B. Conditional type 2. If plus simple past would plus bar infinitive. C. Conditional type 3. If plus past perfect would have plus past participle. Example sentence of will and would. If I have free time, I will go swimming. B. If I were a millionaire, I would donate my money to charity. Will and would function. Will would to declare polite request. Polite question to ask permission or ask for help. Where will be for informal polite request while would for formal polite request. A. Will you accept my apology? B. Would you mind helping me with my presentation? Will to make spontaneous decision. Simple future tense. Example of while sentence. A. I'll follow your advice. B. You look cold. I'll lend you my jacket. Will and would are used to make prediction. Will for prediction in the future, simple future, whereas would prediction of the future from the perspective of the past, past future. Example of while and would sentence. A. My father had a strong feeling that the weather would be warm. B. I think rainy will come. Application of will and would. 1. Belief. We can ask will to say what we believe will happen in the future. A. Will be late. Let us take a taxi now. We ask would as a past form of while to express what we believe or imagine will happen in the future. A. I will be late to come to the meeting, so I would have to take a taxi. 2. Offer and promise. We can ask will when offering something or promising something. A. I'll give you all the things you want. B. Will you marry me? 3. Willingness. We can ask will when someone talks to someone else that he wants to do something or is willing to do something. A. I will lend you my car. B. Well, see you tomorrow. Would can be used when we talk about something that we often do in the past which we want to do. A. When we were children, we asked to spend our holiday to the beach. We would get up early morning and we would play sand. We would make a palace from the sand. 4. Conditional. We can ask would to conditional sentence if or what if to say what we think will happen in the future or now. because the conditional sentence of verb used are usually in the form of past tense. A. I will give you a dress if you come to my boutique. B. What if you lost your job? What would happen then? We can ask will in the conditional form to give advice or advice and would when giving more polite advice or advice. A. I will help you if you tell her. B. We would help you if you told us. Hypothesis or imaginary event. Understanding the sentence hypothesis describe events that are not real because it did not happen. Therefore, when using if, would only be supposing hypothesis and imaginary. You can see example of hypothetical sentence here. A. It will be a nightmare if she actually comes. Example sentence that are imaginary. A. If I had a new car, I will take my girlfriend to the city. 6. Polite sentence. Would be able to make your sentence more gentle and polite. You can ask it to express your wish, your request, or your opinion, especially during formal times, so that it sounds more polite. A. I would like to see the white dress, please. B. Would you please tell Dr. Laura that I can see her today?